Welcome to another episode of Halina't Natuto, Masayang Mag-aral sa Filipino. In this episode, we are going to learn how to request or ask for permission in Filipino. There are 3 different ways on how to request or ask for permission in Filipino. First is maaari. Say it. Ma-a-ari. Maaari. This is a much formal way of asking for request or permission in Filipino. It is usually used when someone is talking to someone older or with authority. Here is an example. Maaari po ba akong pumunta sa banyo, teacher? In English, may I go to the restroom, teacher? Using the word po makes the sentence more polite in Filipino. Another word that we can use is puwede. It is much more commonly used than maaari. The word puwede can be both used in formal and in informal way of conversation. Repeat after me. Puwede. 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 An example on how to use this word is when you ask a friend to do something and you'll say, "Pwede mo bang iabot sa akin ang remote?" It means, "Can you please hand me the remote?" Take note that maaari and pwede can be used interchangeably. The last way of requesting or asking for permission in Filipino is by adding the prefix paki to any verb. Say it after me. Paki. 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 This prefix is equivalent to the word please. By adding or putting paki in the beginning of any verb, it automatically asks or requests for something to be done. I'll give you an example. Pakilagay ng mga pinggan sa lababo. This sentence translates to, "Please put the dishes in the sink." Paki is added to the verb lagay, which means put in English. Want to know more Filipino phrases? Make sure to watch other video here in Halina't Matuto, Masayang Mag-aral sa Filipino. Paalam! Hanggang sa muli!